In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to increase the Epic Games download speed, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. There are two methods you can try. The first is going to include your app data. So you're going to click on your Windows and R key, and it should open up this window right here. You're then going to click on OK, and it should say %local app data %. If it doesn't say that, just type that in and click OK. It's going to open up this local app data, and you're going to find Epic Games Launcher, click on Saved, Config, Windows, and then as you can see, there is engine.ini. So what you're going to do from here is right-click on it, and then click on Open With, and click on Notepad. Now, as you can see, it opens up this notepad, and what you're actually going to do